Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to our events on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Cabo Squad 0. I'm Champion Ben, my brother. What's your name and where are you from?
Bela from Rapaneng. Yeah. The land, the pain went straight to Orlando. Yeah. Marawa. The question is why? Marawai. Then we've landed the question to the Torko.
Next time a big dog.
Marawai is winning.
Next time a big dog.
Yeah. The pain is here.
They know.
Why? Can you feel the pain?
No, I don't feel the pain.
Can you feel the pain? We are on national duty. We are on national duty. We are on national duty, Physical is Pivo. Physical is Tivo. Mara. Inside. Marabasta. Man of the match. Man of the match. Tivo. Man of the match. Peter Seni. Seni.
Donkey.
Ncheke
Donkey.
Tivo.